All right, the I can for today is I can multiply using an area model. So we'll start with example A, 23 times 15. Let's say that these cubes represent the number 23 and these cubes represent the number 15. Let's draw our area. So 23 times 15. But instead of writing out 23 and 15, we're going to break apart 23 into two numbers, 20 and 3. And instead of writing 15, we're going to break apart 15 into two numbers, 10 and 5. And then we have two numbers up here, so we're going to draw two columns. We have two numbers over here, so we're going to draw two rows. So 20 plus 3 is 23. 10 plus 5 is 15. So before we continue, the point of the area model is to easily multiply numbers into parts of the product and then add them all together to get one final product. All right, let's look here. Just pretend like you're looking just at this one area, okay? So what are the side lengths? 20 and 10. So what's 20 times 10? 200. Now let's just look here. Just here. So what are the side lengths? The top is 3. The side is 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. Let's look here. Just this one area. This side is 5. And this top right here is 20. So it's 20 times 5, 100. And then finally right here are the two yellows. Just looking right here. The top here is 3. This side here is 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. So we have four partial products, or four parts of the answer. So now we have to add them together. 200 plus 100 plus 30 plus 15. So we're going to add those four partial products together. 5 in the ones, 4 in the tens, and 3 in the hundreds. So 23 times 15 is equal to 345.